1998 BC 76 calculator problem, although we probably won't need to use a calculator for this particular one. For what integer k greater than 1, will both of these series converge? With the first series, we can see that that is sort of like an alternating harmonic, except that it has the k there. So if it was just an n, for every odd n, you would get a negative value there, which would cause it to alternate. But multiplying by k now, if k were to be an even number, even though n were odd, an even times an odd would give you an even value. And so what this says is that k has to be odd. If k were not odd, you would get all even exponents, and the negatives would go away. You'd have all positive terms, and this would be a straight harmonic series that would not converge. So first of all, we know that k must be odd. And just from that, we can get rid of 3 answers. So that k has to be either 5 or 3. Second of all, the second series is a geometric series. And for that geometric series to converge, the common ratio r has to be less than 1. And so k has to be less than 4. So from those two things, we can see that k has to be odd and it has to be less than 4. In that case, we can get rid of option B, and the answer must be D, 3. And that's all there is to that. So we have this alternating harmonic series for which k has to be odd in order for it to converge, and then we have a geometric series where k has to be less than 4. So we're looking for a value that's odd and less than 4, and the only option is k has to be equal to 3.